What's up, everyone? I wanted to show a little bit of quick appreciation for the Soundcore P40i totally wireless earbuds. I picked these up a couple weeks before Black Friday 2025 for $42, $43 from Walmart's website, and that is what the eventual Black Friday price was. And at that price, I think these are exceptionally good quality for the money, or good value rather. Well, good quality too, but more on that in a few minutes. I'm not really an audio snob, but I do like for my audio to sound balanced, maybe with a little bit more in terms of punchy bass, but still like to have fairly defined mids and highs. And these things sound great for that. Before I get into the app, I did want to show the charging case. I find it to be pretty compact. I've never used earbuds like these before, your AirPods style earbuds. I'm used to using over-the-ear headphones like the Bose NC700 headphones, but I still found this charging case to be pretty compact, easy to put in your pocket. There is an LED on the front which can show connection details, and it'll also show when you put an earbud back in the case which one was actually put in, so the left half lit up, the right half will light up if I put the right one in there. There's also this little phone stand feature. My phone, which is the Z Fold 6, is too big to take advantage of this, but if you have a smaller phone, then kind of a neat little feature. Some details on the inside of the lid, and then, whoops, if we take the earbuds out, you'll see the two contacts for charging. On the back side of the case, we have a USB Type-C port for charging, and then a pairing button if you need to do that manually. This is what the earbuds look like. They are available in a few different colors, but I opted to go for the black ones because I generally just lean towards black products in general. A couple of microphones on the outside. This does not use pinch or any sort of buttons to interact with. It is typically a tap on this little nub that's sticking out. It's there on both sides, the left and the right. We'll take a look at some of the customizations you could perform through the app. There is a left indicator there and a right one here. These came with silicone tips in multiple sizes, but I swapped those out for foam tips. I find that they stay a little bit more secure in my ear, and these are still comfortable after multiple hours of listening. Battery life, real quick, I've found to be exceptional. I don't use these things all day, every day. Typically when traveling, if I'm walking around or something, I will take these with me to go because they are very compact compared to my large over-ear headphones. And I've rarely had to charge these in the months that I've had these. I've had this plugged in for a complete charge maybe twice. So very convenient to have when traveling. With that out of the way, let me show you the app. We're going to take a look at the Soundcore app in a moment, but at least on Android in the basic system settings, it will show you the individual battery percentages for the left-right earbuds as well as the case. Now we'll go to the app real quick. There is a dark mode available, but I just switched out of that for this video because it shows up better on screen. The app itself has a number of features, some of which I don't use. There is a sound space area with some meditation audio, white noise, stuff like that. There's this AI thing that I have no interest in using, and there are a couple of other features there. But we'll go into the main area for the earbuds, and it once again shows the battery levels, and here's where you can change the settings. By the way, these are active noise canceling earbuds, and I found it to be pretty good. I mean, for $42 to $43, I'm incredibly impressed by that side of things. I can only imagine how ANC could be on more expensive products, but for the money, very good, I found. I never use the normal or transparency mode. I just want to cancel as much of the world around me out as possible. Wind noise reduction definitely helps. I've used this in windy areas, toggle this on and off as a test, and it definitely improves it. And then sound effects is where you can go and set all your sound options. There is a graphic equalizer where you can adjust all your usual levels. I'm not going to show that because I don't want it to really go out of the mode that I'm currently in, which is the HearID sound option. This will kind of play a music test. It'll almost like an eye test or a hearing test where it'll play a couple of different pieces of audio and you select the one that sounds better to you. I found that that works very well compared to choosing one of the preset equalizers or even adjusting it manually. I found that this happened to be very good at understanding the audio that I prefer, and I've just left it in this mode since I got the earbuds and have been very happy with the overall sound quality. There are a couple of additional modes here. Never went through those. You can adjust, I guess, maximum volume levels if you want to do that. But here we have the section to control the taps. This is what I have it set to currently. There is an audio mode and then another mode for when you're on a call. Those cannot be adjusted, but this is how I have mine set up. Most of the time I just adjust volume with my device, but sometimes I can do the taps as shown here to adjust it directly from the earbuds. Here we have some of the call specific tap gestures. You can change the left and right options, but I have it the same across both. That's really it with this video. Again, for the money, I think these things sound awesome. And especially for under $50, these things have been kind of mind-blowing to me. It's rare that I kind of want to voluntarily do a video like this to show appreciation for a product, but that is it with this video. If there are any comments, questions, or suggestions about this or anything else, feel free to leave them down below. That's it with the video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.